Welcome back to the channel. Currently we are in northwestern Queensland, just south of Mount Isa, and we're at this camp spot where me and Mark, we first visited here about 6 years ago now, and we haven't been back since. Now we remember it all those years ago as a really cool place. We rocked up last night and we certainly were not disappointed. It is amazing. There's so much life around. Currently Mark is just over there filming a Merton's water monitor, basking. I'll flick you around and show you. This is our camp. How good is it? There's Merton's water monitor just up there on that rock. I'm sure Mark will roll the videos soon. But we've got a bit planned for today. We've got a couple of ideas, and we're actually going to be able to get the stand-up paddleboards out for the first time. We're really excited. So we have a water system here, which is where our camp is. But then if we go upstream a little bit more, there's another big dam, and there's freshwater crocs in there, a lot of freshwater crocs too. So we want to get the stand-up paddleboards out. There's heaps of little islands around and in amongst the dam. So we presume there's going to be some monitors about as well. So we're just going to get the stand-up paddleboards out. We're going to head out and we're going to hope to see as much as we can see, but if we don't see anything, we're still probably going to have a pretty damn good time on the stand-ups.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. Before you turn around and walk away. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can do my own thing. I can do my losing track of time, losing track of myself. I can make promises to get into your head. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. Before you turn around and walk away. Hey, I just wanna see you on my, I just wanna see you.
Does it get much better than this? Oh.
No, it doesn't.
Got a bird of prey checking us out.
Watch out.
Oh. Yeah. This is why we can't have nice things.
Worth it, totally
worth it. Mark's just hard at work.
Working hard or hard to work?
Yeah. So we've been paddling about for a good almost 2 hours now. It's been good fun. We've had a couple of stacks. I nearly lost my GoPro. We've seen one croc, and Mark got some footage of it. Hopefully, we're probably gonna have to zoom in a little bit of that. But there's so many turtles about. As you're just cruising along, the turtles just bringing up and popping their heads up. But we're gonna come back tonight, I think. Crocs, pretty hard to spot during the day, you know. You can get them when they're basking pretty early morning. We thought we got up early enough, but there hasn't really been that many out, and it is pretty warm, so they don't really need to get out and bask, you know, every morning, like when it's a little bit cooler in those cooler months. So I think we'll come back tonight with our head torches, and it's a lot easier to spot crocs at night time because they have eye shine. So we'll come back tonight. We're going to stash these in the bush somewhere so we don't have to cart them back up that gorge. And then we'll hopefully find some crocs and show you guys the footage. I'd like to say a huge thank you to my mum for getting us these stand-up paddleboards as a going away present. I'd also like to say I'm sorry, Mum, for just telling you that I was going to be looking for turtles on these. The reason we are using stand-up paddleboards is because they allow us access to most of the watercourse. They are also quiet and stealthy, so this gives us an opportunity to get a little closer to the animals without spooking them and stressing them out. Most people will have you believe that freshwater crocodiles aren't dangerous. However, they are capable of a serious bite, which they will deliver if they feel it's necessary. Which is why it is always important to respect these animals and to avoid any situations where you could put yourself in harm. I really hope you guys enjoy this footage.
It's been so long I can't remember your taste now, and the weight of your touch. It's been so long I can't remember what it felt like to drown in your love. It's like I've been walking here for days, lost in the desert, babe. I cannot forget.
We had a great time cruising on the water, seeing these awesome animals. We hope you saw a different side of crocodiles. Not the scary, vicious creatures, but animals that are shy and would prefer to avoid you than to lash out. This population of freshies is one of the most southern populations, and it seems that they are thriving here well. We were fortunate enough to see many crocs of all different sizes living in this lake. I will mention that we cruised this whole dam to gather this footage, and we didn't visit the same croc more than once. Once they moved away from us the first time, we would then leave them be and not push the mutual boundaries anymore. On the walk back, we were stoked to see some more reptiles cruising around enjoying the hot, humid night. We saw many of these children's pythons gathering around small rock pools hunting frogs. We also came across this stonker olive python, which looked like it was original Spartan because of how scarred up the thing was. Olives in these environments often eat large food items like wallabies or even small crocs. This is prey that fights back. Often or not, olives and many other python species can have some serious injuries inflicted on them while they're trying to wrap and to immobilize their prey. We want to say a massive thank you to you all for following the channel. All the love and support has honestly been a huge motivator for us. So please get pumped for so much more.
Look at it.